fast
Hey,
rope down.
we haven't started yet. I need you sober for this video.
I wish you'd told me that before I came up. I was having coffee all morning with Welcome, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How are you today?
Good.
We are in for a treat, aren't we?
Yep. I can't see what
It's a handle. It's going to make you happy.
I'm always happy with a handle.
I know. You should see the smile on his face when he's got a jug of milk. All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Tell us about what we got here.
What we got here is called 40 Creek. It's a Canadian whiskey, which means it's blended. It's got rye, corn, and I forgot.
Is it peated and smoky? Because this is a dark color.
No.
This is a lot darker than I would have thought.
And surprisingly, it's won a buttloads of awards. Won gold medal at the International Review of Spirits 3 years in a row. 5 gold medals at San Francisco World Spirit. I mean, this might be out of our league.
Oh, okay, it could be. I mean,
I'm just saying,
I've tried it before,
medals.
but here's my issue.
No cork.
Yeah, it's a twist top.
It's a one barrel.
It's a twist
cut the
top.
camera off.
It's a twist top. Did you see? It's a twist top.
Top came off. Yeah, there's no cork.
That's disappointing, and it's like huge. But all right,
Okay.
so let's get down to this then. And you actually bought this for me for Christmas, which I appreciate. I had not had 40 Creek till then.
I haven't.
So let's look at the aroma.
Oh, what's the cost?
Oh, the cost. When I looked up online, the cost was $36 for this 2 liter. Normally it was $26, $10 cheaper for the 750.
Yeah.
So that's going to put us in, we're going to go by the 750, it's going to put us in the 3 range, correct? So let me go ahead and mark those down. And so now let's look at the aroma. And I really keep thinking about adding a second, third, fourth, a fifth category to our barrels of color, because to me, I like the darker, the bourbon color that comes out and not the light yellow that we've been having.
Yeah, for me,
color
is just, I don't think, for me, it's like not really a barrel thing for me, because...
No, I agree. I just was like, I've noted that over the past, 5 or 6 of these that we've been doing, I keep talking about color. All right, let's do aroma.
A darker color for sure.
Right away, it's a mild.
Yeah.
It's not light. You just get a hint of a alcohol sting, but not much. So I'm gonna say it's a 3. And one of the things that I notice is you're not assaulted by a lot of ingredients. I mean, you can smell some of that. You can smell the vanilla and the honey, but you can't. A little smoky, but normally when you're doing this aroma flavor, you also get a lot of ingredients.
I smell a lot of sweet kind of.
Oh yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna say it's a 3 on the aroma. How about you?
I'm gonna go with light.
You think it's a 4?
Yeah. To me, it's almost like I'm not even smelling a
whiskey.
The whiskey.
Okay, let's look at bite. Wow. My first inkling was that it was sharp, but that went away quickly. It doesn't have a lingering bite to it.
No.
Not here again, I'm going to have to say it's a medium bite. It's a 3 because it's not smooth and there is a bite to it. So I'm going to have to say it's a medium.
Yeah, definitely when you taste it, you know you're drinking a whiskey.
Mm-hmm.
But
same
it does have a little in the back of your throat, but then it's instantly gone. So I'd go with the medium too.
And right away, the flavor's good. I like the flavor. And I like Canadian whiskey. So I'm kind of got a leaning towards it.
It's almost to me like it's got like maybe a maple syrup, brown sugar kind of sweetness to it.
It's a honey sweet to me. Not a brown sugar sweet.
I could kind of see why it won all those awards.
I wouldn't put it in rich though. I'd put it as a 4. It's pleasant. It's definitely something I could drink after a hard day's work.
Mm-hmm.
Straight. I don't know that I would add ice to this. Maybe just a drop of water.
And that's kind of interesting because that's something I'd kind of like to try with some of our whiskeys that we've reviewed, is try them with some
a
ice
splash of water,
or
ice or something.
Yeah, just to see the change.
Normally, I will only drink some of the stuff that we would probably deem a 2-barrel with ice. Or I have a strong passion for some cinnamon fireball. Maybe not hot damn.
Aftershock?
No, Aftershock is more of a shot, and I'm not a shot person. Incinerator is what I like ice on because it's still spicy and sweet, but it diffuses it. This, I don't think I wouldn't diffuse this at all. I'm kind of disappointed in the cost because I almost feel like it should be a little more expensive for the flavor.
What did you give it for flavor?
I gave it a 4. I said it was pleasant. It's not rich, but it's tasty. I like it, which gives me a 13, which is a 4 1/4. So I'm gonna round that to 4.
I was gonna give it a 3 1/2 on the flavor.
Okay.
I like it. It's enjoyable, but like I've said, it is a little sweet for my taste, but not that I wouldn't drink some more of it.
Okay. So I believe this is our first sampling where we are going to have different ratings. I rate this at 4 1/4, and I'm downloading it to a 4, and you're at 4 1/2. I was at 13 barrels out of 20. You're at 13 1/2.
Now you get a quarter.
It's called math.
I thought we only had half barrels.
We do. That's why it's downgraded to 4. So I gave it a 3 on cost, a 3 on bite, 3 on aroma, and a 4 on flavor, which is 13.
Yeah. Okay.
13 out of 4. That's 4 1/4.
And so what did I give it?
You gave it a 3 on cost, a 4 on aroma, 3 on bite, and 3 1/2 on flavor, which is giving you a 13 1/2. So we're only a half barrel difference. However, yours is putting you at 4 1/2. Mine's not. So this is our first difference, which is fine. It's a half barrel's negligent.
Yeah.
Negligible.
Yeah, you're the teacher.
Yeah, let's get that teacher's out. No, I'm just
Yeah, not bad.
I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you. It's a good Christmas gift. But since it's got a handle, it'll probably disappear down somebody else's throat.
Yeah, I'm already saving for next year because there was a lot of booze to be bought for this Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
We did a booze Christmas where
8 of us.
Yeah, there's a lot of bottles involved.
It was a great Christmas. So. All right, so yeah, this is a good choice. I appreciate it. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Check out the blog,
Twitter,
and we'll see you next time. Bye.